Let's get right to a pro trader, Nick Santiago of In the Money Stocks, joining us now. Nick, a lot of people are talking bear market. Is this a good time to start selling a lot of stocks?
Well, I think that probably is the right thing to do in certain industry groups, but there are a lot of industry groups that are coming into support as well. And unfortunately, that's how bear markets are. So if you take a look at this week in particular, we've seen a lot of the consumer goods stocks, which have been some of the strongest names, really sell off. So again, the bear gets everybody at some point. It gets you. And these companies are not immune. So I think there are certain industry groups where you're going to see more declines. I think the home builders are very vulnerable with the chart pattern that's being made. And again, sometimes you'll get a lot of industry groups that can put in some lows and you can see some bounces. So it's a trader's market when you go into this phase of the bear.
What would be your trade of the day?
Well, I still own Apple. I still like that a lot. That's been beaten up pretty good. Everybody seems to dislike it. So when everybody hates something, I kind of like it, especially if it has a good support level that it's traded down into. So I like that. And I like, believe it or not, for a bounce, I like a lot of technology right now. I think a lot of tech is setting up for a potential bounce, especially as interest rates come down a little bit. So I think that's where you want to start to look for a trade. I'm not saying we're going to hold these things forever, but for a tradable bounce, I think Apple and a few other tech names are starting to look attractive.
Always good to buy low. Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.